スティーブ的視点のスティーブです。おはようございます。平日なんだけど、今日はもう天気が綺麗ですごくて、青空、暖かくて1月なのに、ちょっとドライブしようと思った。気持ちいい。テキサスの田舎、いいね。田舎がいいです。俺はもう街とかニューヨークとかニュージャージー、こう、なんていうのかな、意外と混んでるところで生まれて、育てられて、テキサスみたいなちょっとした田舎、街もあるよ、近くに。でもあるとなんかいろいろいいところはあるんだよね。おとなしくていいところです。あれ、ちょっとたまたまだね。これはフリオさん覚えてる方がいますかね。フリオさんは友達なんだけど、フリオさんが RX-7 買っちゃいましたこの間で、彼の RX-7 は今日、フリオさんはね、内装とか車の内装をやる人なので、ここに車が止まってるの見て、なんか変わったんだよ、この間見てから。何が変わったんだろう。で、日本車大好きなフリオなんで、いつの間にか買って、この間の車のイベントに彼が出てきたんだよね、この車で。で、びっくりして、動画もあるのでよかったら見てください。Julio, is this your car? Dude, your RX-7, man, you're brapping. Congratulations, dude. We got to do some Rotary brapping together now. Look forward. Thumbs up, man. でもなんかその時から何かが変わったんだよね。なんかが違う。ちょっと本人がいるのかな。中に入って挨拶してみたいと思います。フリオ面白い人だよ。かっこいいでしょ。この RX-7 はね、なんかシルバーに中がワイン色の赤、いいよね。おしゃれ。あんまりも見ないよね。これ FB になるのかな。アメリカのと日本の違いがあると思いますよね、バンパーとかは。でもね、これはもうあんまり見かけない、特にこの程度でところです。 JV& さん、お父さんは JV で息子2人がいるんで、フリオはそのうちの1人の息子になります。Julio! What is up, man? How are you? Hey, what's up, Diego? How are you, man? Happy New Year, guys. The last time I saw you was at the car show.
Yeah.
You pulled in an RX-7.
Mm-hmm.
That is an RX-7, 1980?
85.
85 RX-7 FB?
FB, GSL, ST.
Rotary.
Rotary.
Two rotor.
Yep.
13B.
13B.
You like rotary cars?
I love rotary cars.
You do, huh?
Yep.
I like rotary cars too. You know that, right?
I know.
Do you remember how we met?
Yep. With a rotary car.
覚えてる方いるかな。俺があっちゃんの車をあっちゃんと2人で乗って車インストールしちゃって、フリオに助けてもらったって。テキサスに引っ越してすぐにそういうのが起きたので。Can we check out your car?
Yeah, of course.
Let's go do it. I got something for you first though. 1 minute.
Okay.
フリオにプレゼント持ってきたんで。Hey Julio, you like Japanese drinks and food and all that stuff, right?
Yeah,
I got something for you and your brother, man. This is Itoen Japanese jasmine green tea. Yeah, go ahead, try that out, man. See what you think.
Man, it's great.
You like that?
Yeah.
Refreshing?
It's real very refreshing. Yeah.
Better than a Coca-Cola in the afternoon, huh?
Oh yeah, it's much better.
Hey, let's go check out your car, man. Cool, you're welcome, of course. Thank you. You like cars, right?
I love cars.
How many people have you known who've had a nice car, they've gotten into an accident with somebody who didn't have insurance? Have you heard that story before?
Yeah.
And what happens to these people at the end of the day? It doesn't normally end well, does it?
Nope.
No. A lot of people think their insurance company is going to stand up for them too. Oh, I have insurance, no problem. Not always, right?
Yeah.
You need somebody to be on your side. That's why you can reach out to my friends at Morgan & Morgan. When nobody's standing behind you and you need somebody to help you, Morgan & Morgan. That's what they can do for you. Hey, Julio, something's different about this car from the other day, man. What changed? I'm trying to figure it out.
All the same.
そうだよね。スモークだって全然顔も見れなくて、横も前も。I couldn't even see your face before on this car, right?
Yeah, I hate it at night too.
Yeah, I bet, huh? I never saw it like that. This is much, much better, man. Much, much better. Dude, let me hear this thing. I gotta hear this thing run. かっこいいよね。やっぱりポップアップ式のヘッドランプが。あはー。アフターのヘッドランプをしているんだよね。Rotary だよね、Rotary 13B. Look at that little shake. かわいい。エアコン、You got air conditioning? Wow! すごい調子良さそうなロータリーエンジンで、すんげえ程度がいいんじゃない？あ、サンルーフ You got a sunroof too! Look at that! 全然錆びてないサンルーフ Wow! Look at that thing! Let me see! What? No way! That whole thing comes off? それそのまま外れるの？知らなかった。 The FC doesn't do that. わあ、このエアのThat is awesome, dude! 内装もオリジナルですんごい程度のいい。この色はあっちゃんの FC の中と同じ色で、わあ、かっこいい。 Look at that equalizer, man! That is so cool! そのままこういうのあったんだよね、当時。面白い。そしてパワーウィンドウもある。おー、この時はワンタッチじゃなかった。すんげえ程度に。This is a nice. You run an interior shop, but this car doesn't need any interior work.
Doesn't need any interior work.
All original, man.
Yep.
Wow.
Single rim already.
ここもダッシュもこれ全部オリジナル。Hey, blow that horn real quick, Diego. Let me hear it. Oh, いい音. That's a good sound, man. That's a good horn. いい音じゃないこれ。フリオのロータリーがかっこいいよね。音がいい。聞いて。独特なロータリーサウンド。そして匂いもやっぱり燃料にオイルも油入れるから、その匂いもすごくいいと思います。そしてやっぱりフリオが日本のアニメにすごい影響されてると思うので、ナンバープレート見てみましょう。アキナスピードスターズのアキナレーシングチームですね。かっこいい。You like animation, huh?
I love animation.
What is that from? The Akina? Is that
Initial
D? See, you know more than I do, for sure. そしてこれ見て、ガラスの1枚、枠のないそのまま1枚を上げて、中にこんな感じ。わあ、すごい。Who's the skateboarder?
Me?
You skateboard?
I used to skateboard. Yeah.
Yeah,
Now I
dude.
use longboard.
You do a lot of stuff, huh? I didn't know. You got a lot of secrets. Nice. すげえ。Julio, I love this car, man. Can we go take a ride?
Yeah.
I know it's the middle of your day, man, but I would love to take a ride in your car. Let's go. Okay, Julio. Let's see how this car drives, man.
All right,
You got
let's
cruise
go.
control too?
I do, and
No
it works.
way. Dude, how many miles are on this car?
144,000 miles.
14万4000マイルは20万キロが超える。I love this, and it has the sensor told you to shift.
Yeah, it's got the beeping from the 80s.
シフトをしないとっていうことだったんだよね。すげえ。Wow, dude, this is a nice running car. Nice shifting too there, Julio.
Right, yeah.
Wait, Mr. Quick Shift, look at him. Woo! Wow, dude. What a nice car. Unbelievable.
It is really nice. They keep it really, really mint.
It's really nice. I love the original stereo. The dash is in nice shape. It runs nice. It got a nice horn. Let's hear that horn again.俺の周りに面白い人が多いよね。フリオはそのうちの一人。本当に日本車大好き。日本のアニメにも詳しい。すごく何よりいい人なんで、彼はなんかね、多分昔からロータリーが欲しかったっていうのはあると思うので、彼はもともとメキシコ生まれなんで、アメリカに若い時からいるんだけど、すごいなんか日本の影響が世界中にあるっていうことが分かりますよね。すげー。 It sounds so good, man. This is a nice car, man. I'm happy for you.
Thank
You're
you.
a nice guy. You like Japanese culture. You like Japanese food.
I do.
Now you have a really nice Japanese
Really nice
car.
Japanese car,
I
yeah.
really think so. I'm happy for you. Very, very happy, man.
And there's only one way of shutting off a rotary. Just like that. So it doesn't get blood.
I like that, man. Very cool, too. Man, I'm happy for you. Thumbs up to
Thumbs
you
up.
and your family. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Tell everybody subscribe to the channel, man.
Subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up.
チャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。いつも日々前進前向きにやっていきましょう。Let's go cruising sometime.
Let's go cruise.
Cool, dude.